it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking these out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from me, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and of course, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so this is very, very important. Let's do this together right way. We will be starting with gain x 1200. Okay, guys, I'm on the chart right now. This is gain x 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame and using the custom made indicator called 3M trend milker indicator. This actually started an uptrend right from the support zone, and it came to an end at this point. Sold for a while, went back up, and of course, to start the trend all over again, since it's unable to break out from there. So this is going to be selling. I mean, this is selling at the moment. I am expecting to get to this region first, and of course, if it breaks out from there, then it should get to this particular spot. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be gain x 999. Let's check it out together. Okay, guys, this is gain x 999. This actually went on uptrend and got to this region, came down, and of course went back up again. So it should be giving us a sell signal right from there, and we expect it to sell till it gets to this region. And of course, once it breaks out from here, then this should be the next stop. Then thereafter, I am also expecting it to get to this particular spot. Then if it breaks out from there, then this should be the final stop. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be Penex 1200. Let's check it out together. This is Penex 1200. This had been on downtrend right from here, and it sold till it got to the support zone. So I was unable to break out from this. So it switched back into an uptrend, and it is buying already. Okay, so it has gone far already, even though I am expecting it to get to this region. If it gets there, then that's a good one. If it does not, then it can switch into a downtrend and sell. Okay, and if it breaks out from here, of course it's going to buy more, so we should take note of that. So this should be giving us more buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Now let's move on to Paynex 999. Okay, guys, this is Paynex 999. These had been on downtrend, tried to go on uptrend, didn't go too far, came back down, and of course tried it again and broke out from here, and of course came back down, and I am expecting it to buy right from there. Okay, so it has started already. The stop loss, the entry points, and of course it has just achieved the first TP, and we have the second TP, third TP, and the fourth TP right there. And if it breaks out from here, it should get to this region. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. Okay, guys, this is FX volume 80. Okay, right from the support zone, it actually started um, an uptrend, and of course broke out from the structure from here to get to this region. Had a pullback, and of course went back up to buy more. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. Okay, it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. However, right here is actually a resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will buy more. If it does not, it will go back down and sell. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, because it is still buying at the moment right now. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight, and of course all you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect the trading skill, kindly come go back to my channel, check out my training videos, and if you love what you are seeing there, then you can subscribe to it, okay, so that you can learn more directly from there. And of course, guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Thank you.